Hello guys, good morning. Good morning from California. Good morning, Being Yuli vlog is here again guys. Our vlog for today's video is we are going to sort some clothing that they're going to Uganda. Uganda is our chosen pick for our clothing this morning. So let's go see the clothing for Uganda's donation. Shout out to our donation, our donors, Miguel Gutierrez, my brother-in-law. These are the clothes that they are going to send to Uganda, guys, for today's video. These are the clothes, guys. These are the clothes. These are the clothes going to Uganda. So Uganda, don't worry our messy background over there. So let's see what we can get. We'll see what we have for Uganda. First of all, we found some shoes. Whoever wants these shoes. Blue shoes, high heels, is so sexy. Who wants these shoes? But anyway, that's going to Uganda po. So we have this one is someone I work with and she's giving this away. So this is going to, I said Uganda is our choose place, choose continent, part of the world that we can give this to Uganda, guys. We are going to sort this, something like this. I'm not too sure about sweater. Maybe, I don't know. I never been there in Uganda, so maybe sometimes they have cold weather or they have hot. I don't know. Maybe it's in the Philippines. Sometimes they have hot weather and sometimes they have rainy cold. So these are the clothing. This is nice. Huh? Nice. We're going to send this box to Uganda, guys. We're going to send one of our friend, giving one of our friend at work, and she definitely send this to her country. To her country ba? Country? Is Uganda country, Kyle, or continent? Continent, huh? Uganda is continent? Heart? What's Uganda? Country. Oh, a country. Country of Uganda. This is shirt for the children. This is very nice shirt for the children. It's going to the country of Uganda. T-shirt, guys. T-shirt. T-shirt. This is very nice T-shirt. T-shirt. So cute T-shirt. T-shirt for the children. And big, nice shirt for large people. Whoever use large. This one is large. Large T-shirt po. Large T-shirt. Large T-shirt. Okay, this is large T-shirt. So they can actually use that one there. Nice white T-shirt. Oh, very nice and lightly used, guys. These T-shirts are lightly used, and these are from the non-smoking household. So this is very clean clothes. Lightly used. Yeah. Thank you for the Miguel Gutierrez and family. Actually, they have a lot of shoes, but I'm taking the shoes myself. It's all my size. Yeah, this is large for the large, guys. So Nice blouse. Actually, this is nice blouse. T-shirt, mostly t-shirt. Nice t-shirt. Nice t-shirt. We have some kind of blazer for woman. Blazer for woman. This one is blouse. Kind of blouse. Nice blouse. This one is for kids t-shirt. We have some pants. We have some pants for the large children or a small adult. Blouse. Sleeveless blouse. Red long sleeve for the kids. And these are white for the large size. Large men. And this one is for blouse t-shirt for woman. And this one is shirt for boys. This one is large shirt for men, large size. So we have another one. This bag is shoes. Actually, this is also from Miguel household. This is nice shoes, size 13. I just need to kind of clean it before I give it to her. So I have a worker, guys, that she's from Uganda, and definitely she's going to send this back to her country. And shoes, guys, size 13. And whoever can use these shoes, and you know, they are a very Christian people, most of them, so they can actually use this one for church. Okay, this is nice shoes. This is lightly wear. So thank you guys for watching for our vlog for today's video. That's all, guys. Thank you. Hope I can give this to her tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, so I'll see you guys next time. Till next vlog. Bye bye.